Hi, Peter Charles here. And if you saw my previous video of this 23mm Fujifilm lens, their new f2 2.8 version, you'll know I had a lot of problems getting it to focus properly, and it kept zit, 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 making the footage look pretty well unusable. However, I was able to use it. So let's talk about what I did. Okay, let's take a look at my Fujifilm 23mm f2.8 lens that I purchased recently. It showed a noticeable focus shift when I was shooting a video. So let's take a look at the results. Like many lenses, this lens shifts its focal length when it focuses. So as you can see, the top left corner is moving backwards and forwards as the lens focus shifts. Now, being at f8, it doesn't look too bad, but you can definitely see that corner moving. Now, what I found is that using our stabilization option in our editing software, we can actually take out some of this movement. In fact, we can take out most of it. Stabilization is normally used for camera shake, but in this case, it actually worked for the focus shift as well. So here you can see the difference. On the left, I've applied stabilization to the image, and on the right, I have not. And so the results of it are quite obvious. Okay, there you can see that it is possible to actually save that kind of jittery footage where the focus keeps going in and out and the image keeps getting bigger and smaller. The two things are really working around f8 to ensure that you've got enough depth of field to handle that shifting. And the second thing is that you're able to use stabilization in the software, in your software, to get rid of that effect or that look of everything shrinking and expanding. So even that really rocky looking video can actually be saved with a bit of work. So give that some thought if you're having that problem with your camera and lens. Cheers.